A computer capacitor is a small electronic component used to store and release electrical energy in a circuit. Capacitors consist of two conductive plates separated by an insulating material called a dielectric. They play several crucial roles in computers. Stabilization. Capacitors help stabilize voltage and power supply by smoothing out fluctuations and providing a steady current to critical components like the CPU and GPU. Filtering. They filter out noise from power lines, ensuring clean power delivery to sensitive electronic parts. Energy storage. Capacitors can store and quickly release energy, which is essential for maintaining data in memory modules during brief power interruptions. Timing and signal processing. In circuits, they work with resistors to create timing mechanisms and manage signal processing. Capacitors are vital for maintaining the reliability and efficiency of a computer's electrical system.